What's going on, guys? So check it out. I got these right here from a buddy of mine. They were off a Mustang, and right now I have it basically just turned down. It's coming out my muffler, and I'd like to just go ahead and run it out the back, and you know, that's B. And so I just want to go ahead and do that. So that's what I'm gonna check out and see if I can use these, because you know I'm on a budget most of the time. So I'm gonna see if I can use these right here and just cut up what I need, just weld it up, and yeah, let's see what I need. All right, so this is what I was talking about. See, basically, well, it's not turned down, it's just going straight out right here. So I want to go ahead and just kind of, you know, see if that, I might have to just cut this off. I can take this muffler off too, so if I have to, I can take the muffler off back over here. I've taken it off a few times right there. Let's see here. Can I get it up past there? Yes, I can. Alright. Alright, so this is what I'm working with. I'm gonna actually grind off. You see how it's got that little extra bit there? Yeah, I just want to go ahead and take care of all that before I weld that up. As you can see, it's raining outside, so I'm not going to weld it just yet. I'm probably going to wait for it to stop raining and then I'm going to weld it. Alright guys, so check it out. I've gotten most of it gone. You still see this big little spot right here, but I'm not too worried about that. Everything else is good. I got rid of that extra pipe there, and that's gonna be about it for right now, because it doesn't seem like this rain's gonna let up on me. Doesn't like me. So, but yeah, what's up, Michael? So that's it, guys. Hopefully it'll stop. If it stops raining by tonight, I can weld in the dark, so that ain't a big deal. I mean, I can't weld in the daylight, but I mean, I can attempt. I can make an attempt. So all right, guys, it's gonna do it for right now. What's going on, guys? So it's finally well, it's Christmas Eve. I had to wait a few days. It wanted to rain a couple days in a row, but we're gonna get down and start working on this again. Hey, you. What's up, little man? What's up, dude? You want some food? Huh? You want some food? Yeah, you're a good little kitty cat. Come on. There we go. We'll be going back here. Well, yeah, part of it will be. And, you know, from what I remember when I had it up in here, that stuff should be coming right here. So, and as long as it comes out just a little bit, I mean, so we had a bit of an issue with the previous one I was talking about welding up. So you see right here, as I welded it up, every time I would just touch it with the wire, it would just blow more out. I had it on the lowest setting, everything. It was just blowing out like crazy. So I was like, to hell with that, cut it off. And what I did was I ended up cutting the other radius off. And this one has no holes in it. This one's actually in good shape. Went ahead and did like on that other one, I cut it right here at that flared end. So I was able to shove it out in there, and I can shove my other end, this end right here onto here, and actually it's gonna work out a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and weld up these pieces right here, and we'll we'll see what it looks like when I get done. First we're gonna see if I can get all this together inside, and then I'll weld the muffler on if that's possible. Check it out, guys. So that's a way better welds than I've been doing. You've seen my other videos. If not, check them out right up here in the top right corner of how bad my welds are or were. You can see one little hole right there. I'm actually gonna take care of that real quick. Let's see here. Oh wait, never mind. Well, that's good. I don't know. I may pop a little, but I mean, compared to what they have been, that is great. So let me go ahead, and I got a weld on piece right here, and I'm just gonna keep on going. I just wanted to show y'all that I am progressing. Look at that progress, fantastic. All right, guys. So I got Michael here. He's gonna go ahead and do some welding. He's a far better welder than I am, so faster. Yeah. You can always tell when it pops that hole in there. You can hear it up out here.
It looks like a noob, got my face all in the weld.
This is all being done with this little bitty welder right here. There's no gas to it. It's all flux core welding. Yeah, that over there has double layer metal, so it welds a lot easier. I already know what's going on. I experience it regularly with this thing. Yep, you won't be getting that. And if you do, it'll be amazing. Alright guys, so check it out. I mean, he's doing this with this, so I mean, just imagine if you actually had a better welder.
Yeah, do something or something.
So I mean, I say that's pretty damn good. I'm not going to be installing this tonight. I'll probably install it tomorrow and do some stuff tomorrow, but yeah, that's going to be it, guys. If you haven't already, like, subscribe.